Okay, so sorry about that, I just got a phone call. But anyway, so these bays here have got nothing much in them, none of those bays there. So this is all the garage. Those bays there don't have much in them, and this is, you know, just so I can show you again. This is the batten just here. So that's the batten, and so there's literally, you know, about 10 millimeters or 15 millimeters to the top of that batten at most, maybe, you know. So anywhere where I can see the batten like that, means there's not much insulation in there, and like there's none at all there. So so that's just a bit of fluff laying on top there. So there's virtually not much in the garage at all. So I'm not surprised that this isn't working for the customer, and that's normally the reason. So even cellulose fibre, if it's installed badly, it's not going to work. And that's also why a lot of guys quote their jobs really cheap, because if you don't put half as much product in as you should, then you don't have to charge as much, do you? So anyway, that's again an example of a bad insulation job.